Hi everyone. Today, we're tackling a common maintenance task, replacing the water pump on a Lexus RX350. This is a crucial component for your engine's cooling system. A failing water pump can lead to overheating and serious engine damage. We'll walk through each step carefully. First, safety is key. Always make sure your engine is completely cool before starting any work. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. This prevents any accidental electrical issues. Next, we need to gain access. Remove the engine cover. You might also need to remove some intake components for better clearance. Now, it's time to drain the coolant. Place a large drain pan under your radiator. Open the radiator drain cock. Allow all the old coolant to completely drain out. This can take a while. Be sure to collect all the coolant responsibly. Once drained, close the drain cock. Our next step is to remove the serpentine drive belt. Locate the belt tensioner. Use a wrench or a breaker bar to release the tension. Carefully slide the belt off the water pump pulley and other pulleys. Make sure to note the belt routing for reinstallation. Now we can focus on the water pump itself. It's usually located on the side of the engine, where the serpentine belt was. You will see several hoses connected to it. Disconnect these hoses. There will be an upper radiator hose, a lower radiator hose, and possibly some smaller bypass hoses. Use pliers to slide back the hose clamps. Then, gently twist and pull the hoses off. Be prepared for a little more coolant to spill out. Keep your drain pan handy. Now, you'll see the bolts holding the water pump to the engine block. Carefully remove all these bolts. Keep track of them, as they might be different lengths. Once all bolts are out, gently pry the old water pump away from the engine. It might be stuck due to the old gasket. Use a plastic or rubber mallet if needed, but be careful not to damage the engine block. With the old pump removed, it's vital to clean the mating surface thoroughly. Scrape off all old gasket material. Use a razor blade or a gasket scraper. Ensure the surface is perfectly clean and smooth. This prevents leaks with the new pump. Now, prepare your new water pump. Apply a new gasket or sealant as specified by the manufacturer. Carefully position the new water pump onto the engine block. Insert and hand tighten all the bolts. Then, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications. This is very important for a proper seal. Reconnect all the hoses to the new water pump. Make sure the hose clamps are securely in place. Reinstall the serpentine drive belt. Refer to your routing diagram if you took a picture earlier. Release the tensioner and slide the belt back onto all pulleys. Double check that the belt is seated correctly. Now, it's time to refill the cooling system. Use the correct type of coolant for your Lexus. Slowly pour the coolant into the radiator. Fill it until it reaches the cold fill line. Start the engine with the radiator cap off. Let it run for a bit to burp out air bubbles. Turn on your heater to full hot. This helps circulate coolant through the heater core. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as needed. Once the engine reaches operating temperature and no more bubbles appear, replace the radiator cap. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Take your RX350 for a short test drive. Monitor your temperature gauge closely. Check for any leaks around the new water pump. After the drive, let the engine cool down. Check the coolant level again and top it off if necessary. That's it. You've successfully replaced your Lexus RX350 water pump. Thank you for watching this guide. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful automotive repair tips and tutorials. We appreciate your support.